Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks to complete the Catch Them All achievements in Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, this is the Catch Them All achievements, guys, and as you can see that we need to obtain all these pets, and I'm going to show you the tips and tricks. So guys, you need to work with your friend, or you can work with your second account on Roblox. Okay, and for example, I have this dog pet and I need to obtain it. So I'm going to give my dog to my friend or my second account, and I want to ask them or ask my second account to give the dog back to me. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to search for my dog. Okay, and then this is my second account on Roblox. So I'm going to give this pet to my second account, and wait, let me accept it. Okay, and then the trade has completed, and then I'm going to give it back to my first account. Wait guys. Okay, and I'm going to accept the dog. Okay, and I have already completed the obtain a dog mission. I'm going to go back to my garden guide and I'm going to claim the reward. Okay, I have already obtained a dog and I got XP. Okay guys, and that's all the tips and tricks from me. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.